So IBC 2024 is drawing to an end. We're currently in the Content Everywhere studio, which we have built for IBC this year. Watch another video on that and Ben will show you behind the scenes, the equipment that we've used and how he's put it together. But breaking down the interview kit here that Matt and I have been touring the halls with this year at IBC, and as with all these shows, we always like to give you a quick overview of the kit we've used. We're still using the Canon 605 camera, which has been working faultlessly, powered by Swift batteries, and yeah, no problems with that at all. 2 wired Sennheiser reporter mics in that has given us some great audio. Let's just go down to the bottom to the star of the show. This is the Degiro Engo 3. And we've been using it in the gateway mode. So the gateway mode is basically using part of the Engo with the bonded cellular to give us a upload speed for our AFTPS Ninja. So we basically just wire directly Ethernet from the Engo to the Ninja V, and then SDI from the camera into the SDI in of here, and hit record, and literally within a few minutes of leaving that interview, the content is up on Frame.io, and our editor, who's in London, is able to edit that content really quickly. It means our workflow is from booth to YouTube in a couple of hours, which is really cool. So the other highlight of IBC this year for KitPlus was winning the Net Zero Innovation Award at the Corporate Star Awards on Friday evening. This was one for our KitPlus auctions. And actually check out kitplusauctions.com, because we've got a big auction coming up at the end of September. It's all about recycling, reusing equipment within our industry to be more sustainable. So do check out that website. Now this is sitting on something that we've designed ourselves. This is the inaugural release of the TriMat V1 here at IBC. Now we've already taken orders on the show floor for this. And it's an innovative design that Matt's come up with little eyelets so you can secure kit to it. It's robust, it's lightweight, and it's got a lot of attention here at IBC. So do keep an eye on that. That's V1. We've got many ideas for V2, and who knows, next year at IBC we'll have our own booth selling the TriMat version 5. For everything else that we've been doing at the show, check out our channel, that's kitplus.com.